What's up, guys? It's John Muscarello from Side Hustle Experiment. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I am a full-time Amazon and eBay seller. We talk mainly about reselling here. If you're into reselling and getting tips about how to make more money or even get started, please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video. It would mean a ton to me. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the importance of getting help for your business and probably one of the most scary things I am doing with my helper this weekend. So, like the video and let's get into it. So, this weekend is one of my best friends. It's his bachelor party. We are going away for Friday, Saturday, and we'll come back Sunday. So normally I've always been at the warehouse when the helper has been here. So this will be the first time I am giving him a key, and he will be here by himself. So a couple of things here. So one, I asked them if they were comfortable doing this because obviously I want to keep the production moving here, but like if they're not comfortable coming here, then I would have been like, okay, no problem, and I wouldn't have held it against him. I totally get it. Right now it's just me and him, so there wouldn't be anyone else here. So yeah, you got to be, got to make sure the people who are helping you out feel comfortable. Number two, I feel it's very low risk at this point. He will not be processing Gaylords. He'll be doing mostly eBay research. So we just went through 20 Gaylords of books. So there's quite a bit to look up for eBay. Usually, search the channel. I do talk about the eBay process that we do. Actually, I think I have a video that I can link. Yeah, so he'll be doing that. And I figure it's pretty low risk. Like, if it was just him, I probably wouldn't have him process Gaylords because there's a lot that could go wrong. Not a lot that could go wrong, but if you're moving 1,000-pound Gaylords, you're using a tilter to dump them on a table. I'm personally just not comfortable with that. Like, if I had another person here, sure. If someone gets hurt, they could help out. So there's that. And number three, my girlfriend, she will be around. So if something crazy happens, she has a key and can kind of help out there. So thank you very much to her. But yeah, so it's a really important, this is a huge first for me. So this will truly be a time where I will not be working at all. I'll be having fun with my friends, but my business will still be moving forward. The helper will be doing eBay research. The other person that helps me out, the lister, they will be listing books, and I will be doing essentially nothing for the business, but the business will still be going forward. And that's a really important point because, and I've learned this the hard way, like in a weird way, I love to work and get things done. But you know what? At the end of the day, there's only so many hours in the day. Yeah, sure, you could work 18 hours and do all that, or like 14, 18, 16, but you're going to burn yourself out. It's not sustainable. Trust me, I've tried it. You just need to jump in, get help. Take it slow. The lister that lists all the books, they were a good friend. We used to work together. That's kind of how that happens. So they were the first person to help out. Then I found the helper who helps in the warehouse via Indeed. And they have been a really good hire. So that is kind of the point today. Get help. I mean, ask a family member, a friend, anyone. Most of my friends live about 30, 40 minutes away, so it's not really feasible to kind of have them help. They work full-time jobs. So it's not like they could just be, I was like, hey, could you help me out for 2 hours? It would take them like an hour to drive, or probably longer than that, to drive back and forth. I mean, if I was in a real jam, sure. But for the most part, you know, find someone. Like, it really, really was hard for me personally. I like to do everything. I feel like I do everything the best. I feel like probably in your business you do too. I do remember before, like, shout out to Chaz from Side Hustle Network. He said it before in a couple of videos where, like, I am not the best person to remove stickers from products or label products. Like, someone else could do that. And he's like, I tell myself that I am the only person who can, but that is not the truth. Like, other people could do it. Even if they don't do it as good as me, they can still do it, and it gets done. Now, a second point to this is, you know, don't expect for the people who are helping you to do it just as fast as you are. Maybe eventually they will as they get more experience. I know the lister at this point could probably list faster than me because I am probably a little rusty. Just because I don't do it. Like, if I used to list every single week, probably multiple days a week when I had the storage unit. So it's like fresh in my mind. Boom, boom, boom. You see the score, you see the price, and boom, like you're done. Like, you just get in this rhythm. But when they were on vacation for 2 weeks, I was like, oh wow, I kind of forgot about this. I made some videos about it. Oh, I forgot this. Oh, I forgot that. Like, it's just not as crisp. So I'm excited for this weekend. I was kind of bummed out because it was just like I love my friends. Like, this is gonna be awesome. I haven't had a weekend like this in a very long time, especially since going full time. Um, so it's more to me. It's just like, wow, I can't believe that, like, I'm at the point where, like, I could have someone help out and, like, my business will be running without me for a little bit. Um, so yeah, it's super exciting. I also think of it as, like, the opportunities it will open up for me in the end. You know, if this goes well, I could definitely see giving this person a key. You know, they could come in and, like, get the day started. I don't have to be here first thing in the morning. It will just open a lot of possibilities. It is a little scary, but you know what? I don't want to be here all the time. I want to have people who where this could run without me. I've been working with this person for April, May, June, almost 3 months. I trust them. And yeah, I feel like there's really not that much at this point that could go wrong. Again, I'm only going to be like 2 or 3 hours away. They'll be doing eBay research. Not a lot of chances to get hurt or anything. I mean, I guess you could, like, drop the computer on your foot or something weird. But that is today's video. Get help. Don't think like no one could do it, because I have been there. I didn't think anyone else could list books, but it turns out the person who lists my books is probably better at it than me right now. And I will say it is some upfront effort that you're going to have to do. So when I trained the lister, I went to their house. We did it. It took, I don't know, 4 to 6 hours. I was like, oh, I don't have 4 to 6 hours. But now whenever I pay her to list the books, I didn't spend those hours doing it. So that has paid back like a crazy amount in free time for me to do other things. And I am also working on hiring someone else to help out in the warehouse. So it's really just flexing that muscle. It is a little weird to be like, hey, can you do this? Can you do that? When you're used to doing everything yourself, it seems like, oh, like, I'm asking people to put stickers on this book. I'm asking them to do this a certain way or do that. You're a boss. Like, you have to, not that in a bad sense where I'm like, do what I say, but like, you have to lead the people. Like, and every time, like, there's been something, like the other day, there was something about like a spreadsheet that we were going back and forth with, and how they were sending it to me, like, it got all messed up. I was like, hey, can we just do it this way? And they were like, oh yeah, sure. And that was it. Like, it was nice and smooth. It saves me now a lot of time. and we'll be doing that moving forward. So, again, bottom line, sorry, got a little distracted there. Hire someone, even if it's just for an hour or two. Just get used to it. Be like, hey, ask a friend, hey, can you help me scan these books? Hey, can you come to retail arbitrage with me? Hey, can you look up these OA stuff? I personally would like to, I didn't want to hire like a virtual assistant at first. I don't have one, but I wanted to hire someone in person. I'm very hands on that kind of way. It's easier for me. That's how I operate. But now I'd be much more comfortable hiring a virtual assistant, and I probably will. But get some help, guys. It will grow your business a lot faster. You could only work so much. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have help? If you do, what was like one of your biggest obstacles when it came to getting help? Or number two, what's holding you back from hiring someone? I'll try to help you the best I can in the comments. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. It means the world to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video.